Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel TR to PR updates. As you know, I upload daily PPR timelines of Canada student visa. So if you did not subscribe my channel yet, do subscribe and press on notification bell. Guys, IRCC is clearing backlog now. In this video, you will see some August and September files and randomly they are picking December files. So let's start with today's PPR. First PPR, one of my viewers got her PPR. With the grace of Vaheguruji, I got my PPR today. File was on 22 October, medical on 16 October, updated on 4 January, biometric on 12 November, updated same day. Hope you every will get your PPR. So बहुत बहुत मुबारक दिलप्रीत कौर जी. Next PPR, one more viewer got her PPR. By the grace of Vaheguruji, my daughter got correspondence letter and passport request on 21 January. File was on 18 October, medical updated on 20 January 2022. So बहुत बहुत मुबारक. Next PPR, file was on 18 October, medical updated on 29 December, PPR on 21 January, overall 6.5 not less than 6. Next PPR, file was on 18 October, biometric on 1 November, 10 plus 2 68% commerce 2020, SDS overall 6, PPR on 21 January 2022. Next PPR, file was on 22 October, biometrics on 26 October, medical updated on 20 January, BVL on 20 January 1:50 AM and PPR on 21 January 5 AM. Next PPR, file was on 20 October, biometrics on 3 November, medical updated on 15 January, BVL on 21 January 1:50 AM and PPR on 3:02 AM of 21 January 2022. Next PPR, file was on 18 October, medical was upfront on 13 October, biometric on 5 November, PPR on 21st January 2022 3 AM. Profile class 12 2021 pass out. Applied for Bachelor of Engineering at Memorial University, attached SOP, 3 years ITR, payslip, CA net worth report and parents affidavit. Next one is refusal for non-SDS case, applied on 11 November, biometric was on 16 November, got refusal today because of same user reply of not leaving Canada after studies. Next PPR, file was on 22 October, medical was on 30 September, biometric on 3 November, medical updated on 4 January 2022 for KPU University, got PPR on 21st January 2022. Next PPR, my buddy got PPR today itself in morning, so much happy for him. File was on 22 October and PPR received on 21 January 2022. Next PPR, file was on 13 October, medical updated on 17 January 2022, correspondence letter on 19 January and PPR on 21 January 2022. IELTS overall 6.5, 3.5 years gap. Next PPR, due to God grace, finally got my PPR today. File was on 22 October, biometric on 22 November, IELTS score 7.5 overall. Next PPR, got my PPR SDS file 6.5 band not less than 6, file number S304519, upfront medical on 8 October, file was on 22 October, biometric on 29 October, updated same day, medical updated and review started 21 January 1:38 AM, PPR on 1:58 AM, deferred from January 2022 to September intake. Next PPR, with the God grace, I received my PPR on 5 AM of 21 January, file was on 22 October. Next PPR, hi everyone, got my PPR today early morning. Time 3:17 AM, series 3045186. File was on 22 October, biometrics on 19 August, medical updated 5th January without email. Reapplied case, education gap 10 years plus. January intake, started my classes online. Next PPR, file was on 22 October, biometric on 11 November, updated same day. 7.5 overall bands, CBSE 10th with 92% marks, CBSE 12th 96 commerce, SDS file no SOP, no funds, application number 304518, medical updated and visa received on 21 January 2022. Next PPR file was on 20 October, biometrics on 16 November, medical was upfront on 17 September, medical updated on 16 January 2022 and PPR received on 21 January 2022. Profile 10th 10 CGPA with 95% in 2014, 12th in 2016 with 94.2%, BE Chemical Engineering 6.786 CGPA 2020, IELTS 8 bands overall, course Applied Energy Management, Renewable Energy Stream in Conestoga College for January intake. Next is December profile. File was on 20 December, biometric on 31 December, medical updated on 7 January and PPR and review on 21 January. Non-SDS case PTE 69 not less than 65. Applied for my intake. Next PPR file was on 22 October, biometric was on 8 November, PPR on 21 January, 10th with 70%, plus 2 commerce 85%, SDS case 6.5 bands. Next PPR got PPR today on 21 January near 12 am. File was on 22 October, medical updated on 19 January, biometric updated on 27 October. Hope everyone will get their PPR soon. Next PPR finally with the blessing of Vaheguru received PPR. File was on 19 October, biometric was on 29 October. Received PPR on 21 January. Next PPR finally by God's grace I have received my PPR. Medical was upfront on 31 August. File was date 10 August. Biometric on 26 August. Updated same day. Series 304375. Profile Diploma Pass Out 2019 batch. PTE 58. Medical was also updated on 21 January 2022. Next PPR file was on 14 October. Medical was on 31 August. Biometric on 2 November. PPR on 21 January 2022. Non-SDS case with PTE. Next PPR finally got my PPR. January intake 2022. File was on 13 October. Upfront medical on 27 July. Medical updated on GC key 17 January 2022. Biometric done on 21 October. Correspondence letter on 19 January and PPR received on 21 January 2022. IELTS overall 6.5 not less than 6. Academic BTech 74% and 12th in 85%. Next PPR reapplied case applied on 18 December. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR file was on 21 October. Biometric election letter on 24 October. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Series S304517. Next PPR file was on 21 October. Biometric election letter on 23 October. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR file was on 22 October. Biometric election letter on 24 October. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Next one is also 22 October file. File was on 22 October, biometric on 24 October. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR of Nigeria file for my intake 2022. File was on 29 October, biometric election letter on 30 October. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR file was on 19 October, biometric election letter on 22 October. Correspondence letter on 19 January and passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR file was on 22 October, biometric election letter on 25 October. Correspondence letter and renewal passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR got my PPR after almost 3 months wait. File was on 22 October, biometric on 25 October. Medical done on 1 October, medical updated on 5th January. BVL PPR on 20 January at 9:11:43 pm. Series 30451. Applied after 12th Commerce. Applied for George Brown College. Next जो PPR ਆਈਆਂ ਇਹ ਜੈਨ ਓਵਰਸੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਸਕਰੀਨਸ਼ਾਟ ਆ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਅਕਤੂਬਰ ਲੌਸਟ ਫਾਈਲ ਆ। 2 ਨੌਨ SDS ਕੇਸ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਮਈ ਇਨਟੇਕ ਲਈ PPR ਆਈਆਂ ਉਹ ਦਸੰਬਰ 'ਚ ਲੌਂਚ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਫਾਈਲ। You can see the first one, reapplied case. File was on 20 October, biometric on December 1. Next one is file loss on 20 October, biometric on November 16. Next one is file loss on 20 October, biometric on November 1. Next one is file loss on 22 October and biometric on November 2. Next one is also applied on 22 October and biometric on November 12. Next one applied on 20 October, biometric on November 16. Next one applied on 20 October, biometric on November 5. And next one applied on 22 October and biometric on November 1. Next are some reapplied case for January intake. Applied on 20 October, biometric was on 25 June 2021. Next one applied on 20 October, biometric was on 29 September. Next one is file loss on 20 October and biometric was on 5 June 2021. And ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਈ ਇਨਟੇਕ ਲਈ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਆਏ ਆ ਨੌਨ SDS, ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਅਪਲਾਈਡ ਔਨ 16 December, biometric on 4 January, and next one is applied on 20 December and biometric on 6 January 2022. Next one reapplied case, file loss on 27 December, correspondence letter and original passport request on 21 January 2022. Next PPR, with the grace of God, finally got my PPR after 92 days. First file November 23, 2020, rejection on 24 February 2021. Reason IELTS 5.5 in reading. Second file 19 October 2021, IELTS 7 not less than 6 for Sheridan College. Medical updated on 30 December, BVL and PPR on 21 January 2022. Next one is refusal. File loss on 18 December, BVL and rejection on 21 January. Non-SDS case, PTE 65, Winter Master in Civil, BE Civil 2020 pass out, 8.1 CGPA. Next ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ PPR 22 January 2022 ਨੂੰ ਆਈਆਂ. Got my PPR, file loss on 19 October, biometric on 27 October, PPR, correspondence letter and medical updated on 22 January at 1 AM. Profile University of Toronto, MIE, IELTS 8, CGPA 8.7, undergraduate mechanical. Next PPR, I received my PPR January 22. Today morning, file resubmitted on October 22. First time non-SDS, now second time applied for SDS case. So congratulations to all who got their PPR. ਵੀਡੀਓ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਟਿਵ ਲੱਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਐਂਡ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੈਲ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਔਨ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर वाचिंग। ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ, ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜਿੰਦਾਬਾਦ।